Come, let us prepare, make some good profits today. Market left us very big clues right here. Let's talk about that in today's video. In the middle of the wedge here, so you just have to be very careful. But I will show you some liquidity here and here for you to be preparing for the big moves. But before that, intraday analysis at 10:51. Now this was really important because once you're able to identify this yellow algorithm, it becomes so much easier, isn't it? Now, just take a look at this trade here. Once you identify the yellow, it becomes very straightforward. Understanding how to be looking out for the trade here. And absolutely beautiful. All because you understood we were tapering and lacking that buying continuation structure right there. Now, this was a beautiful trade right here as well for me. Not the best, but there's another better trade as long as you understand this yellow algorithm, right? Because later in the day, you would see it's the exact same selling continuation structure, right? So we tapered and we formed that magenta and yellow here, and you see yellow building liquidity again, and we have the resistance from the pink. Absolutely beautiful. I took a trade here. This was an 800% trade. Absolutely beautiful. Understanding the yellow algorithm was very important together with the magenta right there. Now, Discord members, I will explain all these very important details in the trade in the secret training video. Links in the description. Please do check them out when it's published. But otherwise, an absolutely beautiful day as long as you understand how to be looking out for that tapering yellow. And as I mentioned, if you have an algorithm here to know when not to go long, it's this pink. And I told you, you have to wait for pink before you go long. And if you are able to have a line like that preventing you from going long for the entire day, will that help you better in your trading? And if you took this final long here, this is a 100% trade if you chose the right strike anyway. Having this very important understanding of the bearish and bullish algorithms will prevent you from making bad trading decisions and also give you very important information to take good trading decisions, like this magenta and yellow that I took earlier, this 800% trade here, because you understood the yellow and you understood the magenta as well as the pink. There are several convergences here, and I will explain them in the secret training.